Today we are going to discuss about Kjedhals method. This method mainly works based on these three processes: digestion, distillation and liberated ammonia. Digestion means the organic compound which contain nitrogen make reaction with concentrated H2SO4 and get ammonium sulfate. This ammonium sulfate we can send it to standard solution of sodium hydroxide and liberate ammonia. So whatever nitrogen present in organic compound converted into ammonia, that liberated ammonia make reaction with excess standard acid, either HCl or H2SO4. Since we are taking more amount of H2SO4 or HCl, some of the acid will not be reacted, which is called as unused acid. That unused acid titrated with sodium hydroxide so that you can find the percentage of nitrogen. This is how we can make Kjedhals method. This is process. And coming to the important points, Kjedhals method is mainly not applicable for the compounds where nitrogen present in these compounds. If nitrogen present in the form of nitro compounds or where nitrogen directly connecting to oxygen, those are all the cases nitrogen cannot be converted into ammonium sulfate. So Kjedhals method not even in these compounds. Kjedhals method not applicable. That is azo compounds where N double bond N is present. Even diazo compounds, even pyridine or quinoline means where nitrogen present inside the ring. Nitrogen, if it is bonded to oxygen, even there we cannot determine or find percentage of nitrogen in the organic compound. Similarly, hydrazine and its derivatives. The reason behind that, nitrogen, if it is present in the above compounds, that nitrogen cannot be converted into ammonium sulfate. So Kjedhals method not applicable for this. And in that case, nitrogen determined with Dumas method. Coming to the important short points for finding percentage of nitrogen in the organic compound. Just if you know these three cases, enough to solve all the JEE means and NEET questions. The three cases are these things. The first one, in the question, if there will be no base is given. Generally, NaOH only give in the question. If there will be no NaOH, then we can directly use formula to find the percentage of nitrogen. The percentage of nitrogen formula is 1.4 into normality of H2SO4 and or normality of acid and volume of used H2SO4 or used acid by weight of organic compound. We can directly use this formula to find the percentage of nitrogen. If base is given, then we can use equivalent formula N1V1 of acid equals to N2V2 of acid. Here, first we have to find V1 by substituting N1, N2, V2. Here volume of acid which is given in the question should not be taken. So just we have to find V1. After finding V1, we have to subtract from total volume which is given in the question. Means volume of acid will be given in the question, that we are assume it as total volume or initial volume of acid. From that we have to subtract V1. Then we will get volume of used acid. So volume of used acid equals to total volume which is given in the question minus left out volume of acid. So left out volume of acid is V1 which we calculated from the above formula. That is how we can get volume of H2SO4 used. That volume of H2SO4 should be used in this formula which we have written above. So finally what we will do, whatever the volume of used H2SO4 we got or acid we got, that need to be substituted in this formula and find the percentage of nitrogen. And one more important thing, in every problem they won't give normality, so they will give molarity. We supposed to convert it into normality to substitute in this formula, because in this formula normality of acid they have mentioned. That is how these three cases can be used to find the answers for all the models of Kjedhals method. Just we will go. Now we are going to solve questions related to Kjedhals method. These models only there even in JEE means and KCET or NEET exams. The first question, an organic compound weighing 1 gram, that means weight of organic compound is given. So weight is 1 gram and H2SO4 given as 10 ml and 0.1 N, and percentage of nitrogen equals to, since no base is given, we can directly substitute the formula. Substitute the values in formula, that is 1.4 into normality which is 0.1 into volume is 10 ml by weight of organic compound is this. So we can get 1.4% is the answer. So this is first question answer. Coming to second question. So here weight of organic compound is given. You can read the question. 1 gram of sample given and ammonia evolved is 20 ml of 0.1 m H2SO4. The excess acid required 10 ml of 0.1 NaOH for neutralization. Find the percentage of the compound. So here, weight of organic compound is just 1 gram, and then H2SO4 values are 20 ml volume and 0.1 in normality. Now we are going to solve questions related to Kjedhals method. These models only there even in JEE mains and KCET or NEET exams. The first question: an organic compound weighing 1 gram. That means weight of organic compound is given. So weight is 1 gram, and H2SO4 given as 10 ml and 0.1 N, and percentage of nitrogen equals to, since no base is given, we can directly substitute the formula. Substitute the values in formula, that is 1.4 into normality, which is 0.1 into volume is 10 ml by weight of organic compound is this. So we can get 1.4% is the answer. So this is first question answer. Coming to second question. So here weight of organic compound is given. You can read the question. 1 gram of sample given, and ammonia evolved is 20 ml of 0.1 m H2SO4. The excess acid required 10 ml of 0.1 NaOH for neutralization. Find the percentage of the compound. So here weight of organic compound is just 1 gram, and then H2SO4 values are 20 ml volume and 0.1 in normality. One example. Now we are going to discuss case 2 example. When base is given, what we have to use? N1 V1 equals to N2 V2. So this is for acid. These are for bases. So these are equivalents. Now we take the data from question. Weight of organic compound is 1 gram. Same way H2SO4 values 20 ml volume and 0.1 N H2SO4. Since normality given, we will take as it is, no N factor included here. Similarly, NaOH values 0.1 and 10 ml. See here, one thing we should understand. Here 20 ml is the volume of H2SO4 initially taken, or total volume. So we will not substitute this 20 ml in the V1. So from the formula we have to find V1. So V1 equals to N2 V2. See, N2 value is the base value. So base normality is 0.1, and volume of base is 10 ml, and also normality of acid also same 0.1. So we will get 10 ml is the volume of H2SO4 left. V1 means left. So we are finding here V reacted means volume of H2SO4 reacted equals to total volume of nitrogen equals to 1.4 into 0.5 is the molarity of H2SO4. In fact, for H2SO4 2, and the volume of H2SO4 used is 10 ml. So if you do this, you will get 14%. Just to next, these are previous year JEE mains and advanced questions related to Kjedhals method. So here, Kjedhals method cannot be used for the estimation of. So the answer is what? Nitrobenzene, where nitrogen directly connecting to oxygen. In these cases, nitrogen is not directly connecting to oxygen, so that can be used. We already discussed where we cannot use Kjedhals method. Nitrogen estimated by Kjedhals method is not suitable for the compounds. So here, not suitable. That means NO2 and this azo compounds. And coming to 0.4 organic grams of organic compound was digested by Kjedhals method. So here amide is the answer, right? Where nitrogen is present in the free form, or means nitro compounds doesn't give, azo compounds doesn't give, this also doesn't give. And 0.5 grams of organic compound contain nitrogen was analyzed. These are the just 20 ml of 0.1 H2SO4 is given. So we can directly use the case 1 formula because no base is given. So directly you can substitute in the formula to get the answer. So what we will get, percentage of nitrogen equals to 20 into 0.1 into, and normality is 0.1 and 1.4 by 0.5. So you'll get 2.8 by 0.5. So which is nothing but 28 by 5. So this is the answer. 5.6 percentage is the answer for this. With 0.4 grams, same model, there will be no difference. So they have given base here. So we use N1V1 formula. N1V1 equals to N2V2. This is for acid, this is for base. So we can use 0.4 into, acid values are just V1 into 0.1 equals to 10 into 0.1. So this gets cancelled. V1 equals to 10 ml. So V reacted equals to 30 minus 10, which is equals to 20 ml. Is that we have to substitute in the formula. Just so percentage of nitrogen equals to 20 into 10 in, 20 into 0.1 into 1.4 by 0.4. So which is equals to 2 into 1.4, 2.8 by 0.4, which is equals to 7% is the answer. Hope it is clear. The last one is just the same question which is above. Same way you can solve even NEET questions. Those are same as it is model. Thank you.